Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is tlovespeaksss, and I just want to first shout out all my subscribers, whether you're new or old. Thank you so much for rocking with me. Yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you a braid out that I did on my newly colored Sisterlocks about like 2 days after I got it colored. And I'm not going to show you the process of me putting the braids in, just the takedown. And I start this process by putting oil on my fingers so it won't get frizzy. And that's like a habit I picked up when I was a loose natural, so it's just something I can continue. Yeah, so if you want to see what my raspberry locks will look like, stay tuned. How many braids did I put in here? Jeez. This is the only thing about braid outs. It's like putting them in and taking them out. It's just too much. Too much. It's been 15 minutes. Obviously, when y'all watch this, it ain't gonna be 15 minutes. I wouldn't put y'all through that. But it's been 15 real world minutes, and I'm still got like at least five braids to go. Just trying to feel, make sure I don't. Bitch. Damn. Okay. Let me finish this. I do this one. Y'all, it's been 20 real world minutes since I've started taking down my hair. So let that be a lesson to you. Like, if you're gonna do a braid out, even though this video is gonna be sped up, it took me about an hour, maybe not an hour, at least 40 minutes to put them in. I think I stopped like maybe once or twice. And then it's been 20 real world minutes. I'm looking at the clock. 20 real world minutes since I've been taking them out. And that don't include separating, that is just taking them out. So this is the last one. It looks like I got a curly fro. As you guys can see, this is the end result, and I was feeling myself a little too much. I was being a little too extra, but you know, that's okay. You know, it's good that our hair makes us feel good sometimes, you know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.